Here we go. So have you done anything?
Nothing.
Nothing. Here we go. Fresh cold starts for the new year.
Huh. Good fuel line? Yes. Yeah. Well, that fuel pump does look newish, doesn't it?
Didn't you say they wrecked it?
Well, that's what they said, but no, that was why there was one on the floor, and then they got the fuel pump in and did nothing with it after that.
Oh, all right.
Think we should try the factory fuel pump?
Yeah, fuck, why not?
Yeah, fuck, I guess why not.
You want to just unhook the inlet side then? Oh, let's just go get some wrenches.
Yeah, we will.
So what,
make sure it's out of gear.
what have we done so far here?
We literally hooked a fuel line up to the fuel pump and put a battery in it.
And you got a jerry can?
Yes. See if it even cranks first, Paul.
It cranks.
Oh, fuel pump's pulling. The fuel pump's pulling for sure. That was in gear while I was doing that, by the way.
Sorry, it's Andy. I got to answer.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hey, you're live at the GCFCE. Oh, yeah, right on.
Like, sure. Stop.
This will tell you if you got any spark anyway.
No, there's nobody home there.
Okay.
If there's a switch that says on, maybe flip it to on. Yeah. No, there's nothing there.
There's no spark. Okay.
No. I'm guessing the point
probably dirty points.
rusty and shitty.
Rusty and shitty.
They're not terrible.
No, they're probably fine, but they're probably just, all it takes is a mold.
Let me just go grab a piece of sandpaper. Oh, actually, I have my little file here. Oh, well,
Oh, wow.
that's pretty sweet. What? They're hand tight.
Oh. So.
Well, they're all hand tight, so that's probably our first.
We should also, if you have a test light, check that you have power at the other side of the coil. Because if not, we just run a hot wire from the battery.
You want me to bring a hot wire out?
No, these are okay though.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. They're a little rusty, but they're not rusty inside. As a matter of fact, these have very few minutes.
Oh, here we go. There you go.
Totally.
That one's
maybe
finger tight too?
Maybe I'm just getting stronger. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe your fingers from holding the pen all day are just incredibly strong now. Lovely day.
It's like fucking 15 right now.
Yeah. If this thing starts, we'll have to walk over a few feet there and
Think the Ford would start today, Dan? What's that?
let's do a twofer and get the old custom 500 going.
Oh, if I had keys for it, I would.
Oh,
I
right.
gotta get those keys made. Actually, I should do that this week. It's the perfect week to do. The spark plugs are all hand tight. Yeah. Do you want to know if you want them any tighter than that? Do you want to tighten them up more than?
Could, I guess.
That's the oldest trick in the book. You keep leaving them like that. So.
Yeah.
12. It's on. Is the battery hooked up?
Yeah,
12.
11 and a half. Okay, good. Good.
So we got power.
So we got power to the coil, so it's, if there's no spark, it's the points or nothing, really.
Yeah, let's get this. Or these plugs. We should probably clean these plugs anyway. Ah, fuck it.
No, they're clean.
See, if we had the NATO plugs on all of them, we could just boost them all that way. We wouldn't have to fuck around. Silly 12 and 6 volt stuff. Did you see those Pintos? Did I send you that thing?
Yeah. 6 mint Pintos on a trailer.
I was actually just laughing at them. Like, if there were like 10 grand for 7 of them and they were local, it'd be funny to go buy them and everybody we know drive one.
Everybody drive one, like a company car.
Yeah, everybody drive one, yeah.
Well, I thought that
it's like, and you have to drive
all
it.
the agents had box Chevys.
That's all. I can get on board that. Yeah,
everybody could get on.
Yeah, the Pintos are a little overpriced.
When all my friends come over for my birthday, there'd be like 10 white.
The green from Naked Gun, the car that he drives. Oh my god, yeah.
Oh, the Naked Gun green car. Yeah.
Those are good corporate colors. Yeah. And then the LTD that's in the show have one of the LTDs.
Oh yeah,
with the airbag when it runs away and the airbags go off.
For Andy. Yeah.
Fucking
have the Ford.
Did he show you that diesel tempo I sent him?
Yes, we were laughing about that last night.
Again,
Same thing. If it was locally, one of us would own it.
Yeah. He's like one of us.
Did you see the wheels on it? I'd forgotten all about those wheels.
Okay, so then after I go on this bender last night of looking at diesel tempos and topazes. Yeah, you were on the bender last night, hey? I'm like, wow.
Down the wormhole.
Yeah, down the wormhole.
Okay, give her a cranky.
Oh. Go. Ready? Yeah. Stop. Yeah, it'll run now.
Nice.
You know what? Thinking of it, if the points were dirty and the plugs were all loose, I would have started if the plugs were loose, wouldn't it?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Try it.
More fuel.
Stop.
Oh.
We just killed the battery?
Yep.
Yeah, I'll go grab another one. I fucking hate this battery. So.
That battery's been a disappointment.
This
It
battery
didn't stand much of a chance against the Olds Rocket V8.
No,
Turned it over for about 3.5 seconds and quit.
Yeah, minus 30. Okay, let me go grab an actual good battery.
Dan's heading over to his battery store here. Okay, new battery, take 3. Nice.
Need a little more fuel, probably. Okay, go ahead, Paul.
Bullshit, eh?
You could probably see if it goes into gear mode. Or check the wings, stuff like that.
Well, there's obviously nothing wrong with the carburetor.
Do you have headlights? Yeah. Left signal?
You're joking, right?
Yeah, it works. Right signal? Yeah, it works.
You're serious.
Horn, turn the horn. Nope, still don't work. Fucking runs pretty good.
Pretty good. Oh. Yeah, the oil pressure gauge works.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. Yeah, because it was sitting right in the middle. When I shut it off, it went to 0.
Oh, it's probably there when you're cranking it.
That's good. We didn't have to do any actual work.
Exactly the same as this one.
It does it, yeah. Is it the same engine? Yeah, the earlier ones were flatheads.
This was the first year.
This is an overhead. That's why the hood's got a little taller, because they had valves up there. Well, that's quite a pair.
Sweet.
That was one of the easiest ones yet. The snowmobile took way more work. Oh, luckily we still have the 4-wheel drive stencil, eh?
Yeah.
Got to do the matching. Got to do the matching.
First thing Dan said, he's
stencil.
like, runs, we're putting that on there.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Coming up with this hook on from the hood? Nope.
And that was the last we ever saw of Dan.
Put some air on this tire.
Yeah, that's good enough.
That tire. Probably because that's fuel. Is that fuel tank in the back? It's like half full. Well, I'm gonna go grab.
Piece of wood.
Yeah, there's a 4x4 over here. I'm gonna grab. Hold on. Is what I'm looking at.
There we go. Nice. Hey, you can fire up your new sewing machine and make some seats for this baby. Oh, nope, don't have to now.
Right.
Seats done.
Right, you guys. Just never thinking fourth dimensionally. Oh, that's better. This seat's comfy now.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Pretty downtown, right? Get out of here.
Turn on the AC.
How well it actually works.
Yeah, it starts so good. That oil pressure.
Okay, let's see if this works. Oh yeah, it's got a front, yeah. How's our jury can holding up in the back there? It's holding?
Yeah, it's not moving at all. I'll let you know if I see it splashing, but...
This Safari windshield is tough.
Yeah. Sweet.
Cue Credence.
Yeah, right. Run through the jungle, baby.
I'm not even gonna try the brakes.
No,
That'll
I
be
think that'd be a
better.
mistake.
You gotta go down the trail?
Yeah, sure. Oh, this thing is
It runs really
awesome,
good.
man.
Oh, this thing drives way better than the CJ3. I see why people would upgrade.
Oh, yeah?
You come to the dealer in 1959 or 1960.
Oh, what's better about it?
Well, the steering box is
Steering's better,
slightly
yeah.
less shanked out.
Oh, okay. Yeah. It's good in the tight quarters. Much better than the M715.
Oh god, is that thing great? We're still on Fuck, this thing drives good.
It drives great.
Yeah.
I think you should put a plate on it. Take this to the office.
I'd totally drive one of these to the office.
Well, that works for sure. That was pretty successful, eh?
Yeah, pretty
It's our kind of a job.
sweet.
And next, back on the blue Toyota.
Yeah, I gotta start hammering that here one of these days.
Oh, there's the boss. Well, thanks for having us over, buddy. That was fun.
That was awesome, man.
Yeah, it was an easy one.
Actually,
Didn't even have to do the carburetor or anything. Clean the
Nothing.
points, and away she
Battery.
goes.
Yeah. That fuel line effort, though, hey? Oh,
Oh, I know.
oh, better get it tucked under the rocker.
That's right. You don't want the judges to see that.
Yeah. What a neat old thing.
Yeah, these are great. And what year did you say? 1960.
Oh, 60?
60.
60,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, 60.
And this one is what? 50,
53.
53.
Same year as the old.
Yeah.
I could put a hitch on the olds and tow this behind.
This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.